Okay, hello everyone. So this time, what I'm going to teach you is how to use the Angulus app for your range of motion assessment. Okay, so Angulus is available in Google Play Store. So you can use it if you have a copy of the picture or the videos of your patient to measure their range of motion. Okay, so once you have downloaded the app, you just open it. Okay, and then when you open it, so you will have an option to either take a video, take a picture, pick a video from the library, or pick a photo from the library. So my first discussion would be this option, pick from photo library. So I have already a screenshot of my movement and I will use it for my analysis. So this time we'll pick this one, the left elbow flexion. Okay, just choose the image. So once you open the image, you'll be introduced by with this interface. So as you can see on the upper left corner, you have the color wheel in there. So when you click it, you can choose the color of the dot and the line. So I will choose both yellow so that it is more visible. Okay. And then there is a line on top. So this is to adjust the thickness of the lines of the angle. So you can increase it or decrease it. Okay, so let's just stay it in the middle. Keep it in the middle. And then you have the letters here. Letter V, meaning you have this angle, letter V. And then you have letter X, letter N, and then W. So, of course, we're going to use the V option. Okay? And then, so since we already have the image, we can now assign the landmarks. Okay, so for you to be able to see the picture better, so you can zoom in. Okay, and then since this is elbow flexion, so we'll put it the landmark. The fulcrum is on the lateral epicondyle. Okay, and then one landmark, proximal arm, is in line with the acromion process. And then the other line is in line with the radial styloid. Okay, so once you have assigned the landmark, so you will get two measurements. So letter A is 42.3, letter B is 317.7. So for this one, you have to remember that we're going to use the letter A angle. So 42.3. So just click next. Okay, so once you click the next, you can now save it with the date taken and the date measured and also with the chosen angle. So we'll choose angle letter A. And then for the comment, I suggest you also write the description. So left elbow flexion. Ayan. And then again, subtract the value of um 42.3. So we'll have 180 minus 42.3 or just 42 because we have to round it off. So we'll get 138. Okay? And then just click on um next. Okay, and then you'll be able to save it. So the image now says that the 42.3, the left elbow flexion is 138 degrees. Okay? And then just save it. Now, once you save your image, so you can go back home. You can send it the record directly as a message, or you can go back home. Then once you click home, you can check on the records, and then there you go. You'll have the recording of your assessment. Okay. Then you can download or you can attach it into your document. Okay. Now, another example or another use of the Angulus app is through using video from the library. So let's use that option. And then again, select your video. So I have prepared this video. Now, it's written here, choose image, just check the video. And then, this is what's good with Angulus. It will automatically um, select the different keyframes on your video. So, and then after it loads, there you go. You can all see the different angles of the pictures that you have taken from the video. So, if you want to assess, let's say, the starting position of elbow flexion and the end position, so I'll choose this image here. It's the starting position, and then I have here the end position in the passive range. Okay, so I'll choose this one. Okay, and then I'll add those two pictures or frames. Now, you can do the same thing. Okay, just zoom in the picture and then appoint it to the landmark. So fulcrum. And then let's change the color. Okay, so we have here the proximal arm, the distal arm, and then we got 176.2. Okay, so then we have to just subtract it from 180. So just click next. Okay, I'll write here start, tapos left elbow flexion, and then 180 minus 176 equals 4 degrees. Okay, so that is your starting position. And then just click next. It will automatically save your starting position and then just save it. Okay, and then we have the second picture, okay, or the second frame. So we'll just again change the color and then put on the landmarks. Okay, so we have 46.7. So we can use 47. So just click next and then end, left, flexion. So 180 minus 47 equals 133 degrees. Okay, and then click next. So just double check everything and then click save. Okay, so after you save, you already have the record of the two keyframes that you have selected, the start and the end range of your elbow flexion. Okay, and then you can once again copy or save this image and attach it to your document. Okay, now in addition, you can also change the settings of your Angulus app. So you just click this gear button and then you can select the measurement mode. Again, what letter is your default measurement? So for us, it's letter V. And then anchor color, you can select it by default. So I suggest you use yellow. So let's change it to yellow. And then anchor size, again, you can select the default. So we'll have just the regular. And then you can display angles. And then this one, the last part, sampling rate, is how many frames per second you want to use. So if it's a low quality, so you should select low. But my suggestion is you select high so that the best keyframes of picture will be used for your analysis. Okay? So I think that's it for your Angulus app. So hopefully you can use it for your range of motion assessment. Okay.